Over 26 Naxalites were killed in a prolonged encounter between Naxals and District Revenue Guard jawans in Chhattisgarh's Narayanpur districts, which has been ongoing for more than 50 hours. Several senior Naxal leaders are believed to be among the deceased. The Home Minister Vijay Sharma has confirmed the operation, highlighting the success of the security forces in tackling the insurgency in the region.
ऐसी वाला तो चढ़े हैं दिन लग रही क्या करेगा फोटो